In a bent over row, I'll do it from the side. So you'll stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. You'll have a bar in your hand, and you won't go all the way down, but you'll just get down. Let's say like a 45-degree angle. Yes, so let's just say like a 45-degree angle, making sure your back is arched or straight and not rounded. So keep your back straight. Okay, we're gonna have our hands about shoulder width apart on the bar, and we're just gonna retract our scapula by lifting the bar. Okay, something that I've learned is it's very important to, when you're lifting the bar, not just to lift the bar, but to actually retract your scapula so that you can activate your rhomboids and your trapezius, which are the muscles that get worked in the bent over row amongst other back muscles. So yeah, your mobilizers are your rhomboids, which are situated here in between your scapula, and your trapezius muscles, which are here medial to your deltoids, and lateral to your neck. So these muscles. For bent over rows, when you in the concentric phase, which is the upward phase, your rhomboids and trapezius are contracting concentrically, and the eccentric phase, your rhomboids and trapezius muscles are contracting eccentrically. For knee extensions, or leg extensions, as I call it, you'll just be seated. It's usually on a machine, but I don't really have the facilities for that. So yeah, you'll be seated, and when you're seated, it's going to be something like this, and you'll have a resistance bar or something there with a cushion for you, and you'll basically just extend. Okay, but it's important not to extend all the way, because that's bad for your knee. Okay, so you'll just extend until just with a little bit of a curvature, and then you'll bring it back down and repeat. The muscles involved in that is your quadriceps, basically only your quadriceps, because it is a closed chain workout, or closed chain exercise, or an isolated exercise. So it isolates your quadricep, which includes your rectus femoris, your vastus lateralis, which is on the outside of your thigh, your vastus medialis, which is this muscle on the inside of your thigh, and your vastus intermedialis, which is in the middle of your thigh. And that is leg extension. For leg extensions, your quadriceps are contracting concentrically on the concentric phase, which is the upward phase, and eccentrically on the eccentric phase. And the last one is tricep kickback. Tricep kickback, you will usually do on a machine, or for example, I've got a band here. So for a tricep kickback, I'll attach the band to it's like a platform or just a hook or something down there, and I'll get into a bent position with my arm elevated here to be, let's say, parallel with your body. Okay, and then you will just extend your arm, and you'll bring it back. So this will lift, or you can do it with a dumbbell actually also. You'll sit there, and then on the concentric phase, your triceps brachii is contracting concentrically, and then on the eccentric phase, which is this way, your triceps brachii will contract concentrically.